Are you curious about the differences between Bluesky and Mastodon? You are not alone. Today, we'll break down these two popular social media platforms and help you decide which one might be right for you. Both Bluesky and Mastodon focus on creating a decentralized social media experience. This means they aim to give users more control over their data and interactions, but they do have their own unique features and communities. Let's start with Bluesky. This platform is designed to be user friendly and visually appealing. It aims to provide a seamless experience for sharing thoughts and connecting with others. Bluesky encourages open conversations and allows users to customize their feeds easily. Now, let's talk about Mastodon. This platform is a bit different. It's made up of many independent servers called instances. Each instance can have its own rules and community guidelines. This gives users a wide range of choices for their online experience. Mastodon is great for those who want to be part of niche communities. When it comes to key differences, Bluesky feels more like traditional social media. It focuses on simplicity and ease of use. Mastodon, on the other hand, offers more control and customization through its various instances. In terms of features, Bluesky has a clean interface with straightforward navigation. Mastodon has more complex settings but allows deeper engagement with specific communities. Both platforms support multimedia sharing, but Mastodon has a stronger emphasis on community moderation. Pricing is straightforward for both. They are free to use, but donations may support specific instances on Mastodon. So, which one should you choose? If you want a simple, easy to use platform, Bluesky is a solid choice. If you prefer more control and community focused interactions, Mastodon might be the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.